Are you looking for some new design or creative natural ingredients to put in your soap and you just fresh out of good ideas? My name is Natacia and I got you covered. On my channel, I have so many soap design videos and natural ingredient videos that you can try and see for yourself. So you can see how I did it, what ingredients I used, what colors I used, where I went wrong and right. It's right here on my channel. I also do product reviews and show what new equipment is trending in the soap community. All put together. And guess what? We are like family over here. I have a great and fun personality while I'm entertaining and showing you guys these awesome designs so you won't regret it. I promise you, whatever I learn, I will show you, and I show no judgment. We all friends over here. Judgment-free zone. It's time for you to put on your soap gear and get excited. Get pumped up, subscribe, let's do it. Get something to eat, grab your drinky drink, or better yet, get your soap products together and follow along with me and do some of these soap designs. Because today is the day you're gonna add art and creativity to your skincare and bathroom routine. So what you think? Are you ready to become a family? Hit that subscribe button and let's get into these videos. I will see you there.